Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu app or Idlefish Chinese shopping app. Quite a lot number of people have been messaging me about this particular app got restricted when they are trying to link Alipay account to the app, or when they are trying to chat supplier. Different series of restricted might happen with Xianyu app. So if you find yourself in this category and you are watching this video right now, consider to stay tuned and see important things you need to know before you can about Xianyu app linking to Alipay and how you can avoid being restricted and what exactly you can do to fix this particular problem if your account is being restricted on Xianyu app when you are trying to log in with your Alipay app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to follow your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using Xianyu, pinduoduo, Taobao, Alibaba, AliExpress, or 1688, or JD, or any Chinese e-commerce app. So with that being said, let's get started. So someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp, like I said, about the Alipay linking with your Xianyu and being restricted. So someone reached out to me on WhatsApp and I decided to make this as a video. So a lot of people will be aware of this and you'll learn one or two things. And I will go ahead and open up my WhatsApp right here. So here we go. So this is the person that contacts me from my YouTube channel right here. Hi, boss. I'm Gloria. Please, I watch your video on YouTube concerning how to create an account on Idlefish app. I got restricted the moment I linked Alipay to it, and it got restricted instantly. I could not even get access to the app. Please, can you help me with? Thank you. So this is my response right here, and they eventually sent me a screenshot. So this is exactly how your Xianyu app mostly look like if you are got restricted. You can see the screenshot right here, and I asked them to click on the lift restriction, and this is exactly what popped up. And what actually caused this, I'm going to explain to you right here in this video. So if you find yourself in this category as far as linking your Alipay with your Xianyu app, or you are trying to log in for the first time, here is what you need to know. Number one thing you need to know is that your Alipay account must be verified. That's the first thing you need to know. So I asked this person, is your Alipay verified? No, please. I have another one, but it's still restricted. So if your Alipay account is not verified, you cannot use Xianyu app. So that's just the basic truth about it. Then another thing that you cannot use Xianyu app or you can get restricted is that not every country Xianyu app actually supports. You might download the app from Play Store or App Store as far as different devices is concerned and download successful and run up the setup. But that does not mean that you can register successful. So if you also find yourself in this category after your Alipay account is being verified and you are logging in with your Xianyu app, you still got restricted, it simply means that your region are not in support of using Xianyu app. So you have to forget about using the app. There is nothing you can do. Okay, that is just the basic truth. So this is what I have for you as far as linking your Xianyu app with your Alipay app. First thing first, make sure your Alipay account is fully verified with international passport before you can try to log in with your Alipay app in your Xianyu app. So if you still got restricted after your Alipay app has been fully verified, you need to make sure that you check your Alipay message notification. Check if your Alipay account has been restricted or not. But if your Alipay account is not been restricted and then you try to use the same Alipay account that has been verified and that has not been restricted when you are using the app, you still want to use it to log into your Xianyu app and you still get restricted, it simply means that Xianyu app are not supported in your region. So for you to shop in that type of situation, you have to make sure you look for a procurement agent that can help you to procure whatever you want to buy on Xianyu app. It's that simple. So this is basic things you need to know as far as this Xianyu restricted binding of Alipay issue is concerned. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. If you still have any question for me as far as this particular tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below, or better still, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.